All right, we are starting with a thin layer of mini marshmallows on our grease 13 by 9. Ooh, we might need a little bit more. The more marshmallows, the more fun. Perfect. I'm gonna use about half of this bag. All right, let's go ahead and put this to the side. Grab a bowl and a whisk. And I have here super moist cherry chip cake mix. Oh yeah, this stuff is so good. Now, if you can't find the cherry, you can just use regular white cake mix or vanilla, but this one's gonna make it extra special. All right, now I'm coming in with my cherry 7-Up. Go ahead and open this baby up. Ooh, we don't want it to fizz over. Okay, and I have a measuring cup here, and we're gonna do 1.5 cups of this soda. No need for eggs or anything like that. Just quickly measure your 7-Up. You could just use regular 7-Up too if you don't want too much cherry flavor. All right, and that's gonna go right in there. And that's it. No eggs, no oil, no water, just 1.5 cups of your favorite soda in your cake mix, and then you have the perfect cake mix that will bake and rise and just be so delicious. And you can do this with any cake mix and any soda. That's what's so fun about this. But we're making it extra special. This cake mix is gonna go right on top of those marshmallows and be so ooey and gooey and delicious. This is just my favorite cake because it's extra cherry filled and it's just delicious. Okay, once you get this all mixed together and it's like the perfect cake consistency, that's when you know it is ready. Beautiful. Okay, let's bring back our marshmallows. Oh my gosh, this cake mix smells so good. And we're just gonna drizzle that right on top of those marshmallows. Let's go ahead and get our spatula, get all of that cake mix out because we want this to be a nice full cake. Go ahead and use that spatula and just kind of spread it out the best we can. It doesn't need to be fully covering the marshmallows, but just get it from edge to edge so we get a nice, okay, that looks great. Now we're not done yet. I want this to be extra cherry. So you're gonna grab your cherry pie filling and we're gonna just add little scoops right into our cake mix. We're not gonna use this whole can, just a nice, little scoop, a little bite in each slice of cake. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. Now you could do this with any pie filling. You could do it with blueberry, apple, strawberry. You could do a strawberry cake with strawberry pie filling. That would be delicious. But this is an ooey gooey cherry cake. Perfect. Let's go ahead and grab our spatula again and kind of just mix that in. Get a nice little marble effect with that pie filling. So everything kind of bakes and is nice and even. Perfect. Okay, you guys. So now we are going to go ahead and bake this to the box instructions. Look at that. Ooh, those marshmallows got nice and toasty. That cherry pie filling just baked right in there. Okay, you guys, we need to get a slice. I did grease my pan, so this should just come right out. Oh my gosh, it is so fluffy because of those marshmallows. Ooh, it's like a crumble. Oh my goodness. Okay, I know you guys always get mad at me when I serve things like this, but don't worry, I have some ice cream to make up for it because you have to serve this with ice cream. This isn't a frosting cake, this is an ice cream cake. Oh yeah. A nice big scoop right on top. That looks so good. Okay, let's give this a try. Be careful, it's hot. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna eat the whole thing.